Hello guys, DirectX 11 features level 10.0 is required to run. Engine error indicates your system does not have a sufficient level of direct 3D features, and sometimes outdated graphic drivers may be a cause of such type of error. So at first you should install a latest version of DirectX and some other workarounds as described in this video. And the first workaround is open device manager, go to display adapter section and right click on your display adapter, graphic drivers, and update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. This is the first workaround. If this method does not resolve your issue, go to the next fixes, and the next one is force the app to use the dedicated graphics. Open Windows settings. Here go to the display, scroll down and choose the option graphics. Click on it. Here choose the app which having such type of error and go to options and make the check against button high performance, as well as don't use optimizations for Windows games, and click on save button.